Dang. Oh, I have to clean. And use chemicals. Like this. The cylinder head. Ito yun, ayun. Put a chemical on it for a little while. Let it sit for a couple minutes. Yes, hi Sir James. Help me. Hold it from this side. Make sure you're always safe. Wear gloves. Good day. Okay. No, I just try for the video sake. To start over, whether this one or that particular part, I have to do the mapping. So I have to grind from this side, next is this side, and then this side, or from this side till this end. I always have to manage to see to it that we have a mapping thing, like for example a box of pizza or any boxes, put it in a range, the same thing as like that, able for us to remember which one goes first. So when you're grinding, as I have mentioned earlier, to first use a liquid and then a grinding paste until you manage to do it. I'll show it to you in the next video. This side, there's a number showing here. Okay, this has 3 holes. I started from third. I must start from the first. So this one has 2 dots or 2 holes. What do you call that? Those 1 and 2. See the other ones? Only 1. So 1, 2, 3. So it's like a mapping. Do the same thing over. Prepare your things. This side. Liquid on. Make sure you liquid it. Put liquid on it. Then the grinding paste. I'm gonna show you and put instructions. And the most important thing is this one too. You know, here we go. With the liquid on. It's like putting a makeup. Grinding paste. Make sure it's even equal. You have to match it from the surface so that it will perform better again. Now I have to turn it and do the other side. Oops. Yeah, so this is finished product. Then next, I'm going to move to the other side. Okay, this, you'll see that sound, you'll hear that sound. I'll show it to the next video.
Check mo.
Like that. Check. It's okay. I pass? I pass? No.
Yeah, pass.
Pass. Passing.
Yeah, enough.
Please subscribe.
Boom. Wow, this is amazing. I'm inside the Mustang. Burn power. Okay, look how it looks like. Okay, this is how it works. It's a bit hot. There's some damage right there. Whoa. We're here at Black Kids Perfect. We got man on the hood over there. Sir Eric. Eric. Now, what's you having now, Mr. Eric?
I want to check
We're on
engine light.
Wow, the engine light. So he's going to check using a computer. We're having a Mustang here with a special participation of Mr. Lambert. The guys, I'll help you check your engines and everything, maintenance. These guys are ready to help you. So look at that. I was surprised by opening it. Oh, beautiful car. This is for delivery now or for pickup. It's done. Overhaul engine. Look at that. They have to fix. They. Oh, man on the hood. Our boss.
Hi.
Eric on the side. A lot of cars they have to fix. These guys are busy right now. Boss over there, wave your hand. Yeah, Richard. And Sir Jojo here. Look, we're sweating. Whoa, busy.